Walking back from work, I'm not sure if the... Yes, it does. There's just a huge swarm of birds. Flock of birds. Totally unexpected. It's about 5:30, so the sun is well down. Amazing. I'm just continuing my walk in the snow. Makes me think I should do some more winter holidays and try and see more scenery like this. Hello. I feel like I should say something like David Attenborough. It's just mad. Should just maybe say something about Caerphilly Castle though. Famous for, well, many things, but the Leaning Tower is one of them. Are those birds gonna land? Yeah, they're all on the tree. It's all happening. I think there's a geese there. Oh wow! Well, that's the most impressive thing I've seen today. Now, just gonna... Which way actually? Oh, it's quite nice both ways. Street lights have just come on. Oh, look at that. This way for sure. But yeah, I mean, Cardiff had about 6 inches of snow. Caerphilly, maybe 400 or 500 feet higher over the mountain. Probably a good foot. That was yesterday. And a lot of people out enjoying the various views. I think I'll just walk into the middle of this bridge and then head back to the station. Catching the train tonight, no bike. Yeah, my final comment would be, love this, wish it would snow more often.